Hello everybody, I am Nikki and welcome to my show, The Unseen Talks. Today we have our very special guest, Band Capriccio. And what used to happen before was they used to only play Hindi music or English music. There was no Telugu scenes over in the nightclubs or the pubs. And I must say that you guys have completely changed the game for it. We are dedicating this show to all the fans and supporters who are missing their favorite band during this pandemic. So guys, I'm very interested and curious to know, the name of your band is very unique, Capriccio. So I would like to know the meaning behind it.
Capriccio is actually it's an Italian word.
Okay.
It's life form of music.
Alright.
And capricious also means constantly evolving or constantly growing. So it came from that actually.
Okay, interesting. So my next question is, when was the band started? Like what year, how was the journey, how was the experience so far?
2017 we started.
Okay.
2016.
2016, yeah, right. So
Okay.
2016 we started.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was a beautiful journey. It started with me, Kiran and Sean. We three started it. So it was, we were just mutual friends before. We just
Alright.
wanted to do something. He was pursuing his BTech and I was doing my job and everything.
Okay.
We thought we should do something together and we thought we could come up with some band kind of thing and then we started doing it.
So you guys started with just 3 people and then the whole team.
Yes.
All right. So how has the journey been so far? Your good experiences?
It's been a beautiful journey till now with all the memories what we had. Whereas every show is a memory for us and it's a nice show for us. Yeah.
So after the lockdown and the whole pandemic started, how much are you guys missing the gigs and the performances?
Heavily.
And
Definitely, because we were used to, meeting daily, performing daily almost. So many people who've been waiting for us to perform, and we have been waiting to catch up with each other as well. So we've been stuck at each other's places, and it's been a little tough, definitely. And we're just waiting for the situation to get, to the normal.
Yeah.
And as soon as possible, we want to get on.
you want to get on the stage again, okay? I'm sure as all your fans and me personally also, we are all missing you guys very much. So we really hope that we get back and everything gets back to normal. Okay, so the next question is that you guys are everyone's favorite. People love you, people always are listening to you. But which band or which musicians you guys grew up listening to, or who are your inspiration in terms of all the musicians and band or artists? What did you grow up listening to? Who was your favorite singer or band?
It is higher than that. I listen to the Western classical music.
Okay.
Grew up listening to Western classical. Yeah, Raymond sir. A lot of Raymond sir and Ilayaraja.
Wow.
Big hands. So each one of us really love their own content. We have a lot of respect for them. So we choose most of the songs that we perform as Capriccio is basically melody. But we do all the genres, but it's mostly melody.
Melody, okay.
That's what we believe in. So
Okay.
That's melody that really connects.
So that's what you guys jam together backstage for your peace meditation. Okay, nice. Everyone loves Capriccio, of course. So I want to know, who do you guys love? Which band is your favorite?
We love every band, but personally our favorites are Akram, Masala, Coffee, and Tycoon.
I hope you guys are watching this. So I was also born and raised here in Hyderabad, and I have a lot of friends who really love Telugu songs. They are from here, and what used to happen before was they used to only play Hindi music or English music. There was no Telugu scenes over in the nightclubs or the pubs. And I must say that you guys have completely changed the game for it. So whose idea was it to come up with, only a Telugu band?
So Capriccio basically formed because of the idea of creating and bringing Telugu music into limelight. As Teja said, since its inception, I think the beginning 1 or 2 months they used to perform Hindi and Telugu, but later on
With the support of this cafe called Moonshine Bottle, they just gave us a push that we can perform Telugu too. Then that's when we started doing it, and that's when it all started. The Telugu music has taken a big boom just like
Okay.
that.
And
and a little addition to what Teja said. The answer is in the question itself.
Yeah.
Where there was only Hindi music happening.
Yeah.
How did the idea come up? That's the
That's
reason.
the reason we started.
Because
Yeah.
this is Hyderabad.
And exactly.
And Telugu is
Exactly.
the native language of Hyderabad.
yeah.
So you can listen to all languages, but Telugu should be the primary language.
True. Yeah.
That was the idea. So because Telugu music is very famous too. So we wanted to bring that to.
That's nice. That's nice. And you guys are always traveling. You guys have tours. You guys have a lot of shows. But you guys also must have a personal life. So how do you guys kind of balance both the professional, busy life and the personal life?
It's not so tough actually.
Okay.
It's not a hectic schedule too. Only when we go outside of the city, I think it gets a little strenuous because of all the travel and
Yeah.
and then suddenly in the evening you have to get on stage and do something. Then when in Hyderabad, we are in the hometown. We just meet, we just go to the cafes, sing songs, have fun.
So I guess I've asked you a lot of serious questions now. So let's do something fun, okay? So I have 2 jars, one for you here, and okay. So in one jar you have truth, and the other one is dare. So you have to pick one card, and if you're not able to do the truth, then go for the dare. No dare, then go for the truth.
Okay.
So let's start with.
So which one of this is dare and which one of this is the truth?
That's the suspense. You guys will have to find it out.
Okay.
So let's start with you.
With me?
Yeah.
Get a song.
Can I have that also? Can I open it?
Yeah.
Have you ever felt like leaving the show because of rude behavior?
From the audience.
Perfect question.
Sometimes yes, because we all have families too. We come there just to entertain people, to perform. We spend 3 solid hours there at the venue. Before that, we come 1.5 hours early, and after the show, we make sure that we spend a lot of time with the clients, whoever comes to watch us perform. There is a certain amount of belongingness to each one of them. But sometimes, as an artist, when I perform on stage, it is sometimes very distracting, and it gets down the morale of an artist who is performing on stage. So
Yeah.
rude behavior is sometimes seen, and we condemn it seriously. And most of the people who come to our shows, luckily, have been supportive to us.
Okay.
So whenever we requested them not to do it, they either stop doing it, or the people who are around them, they calm them down, or something of that sort happens.
Okay.
Yes, definitely yes.
Yeah.
I put it back.
Yeah. No. I'll take it. This is done. Thank you.
So next to the Shravan.
How do you know this truth and
How do you know? You cannot. Okay, then.
Let's see what you go with.
never call it police and come out to the police?
Really? Never happened. You are lying.
No,
Question
No. I mean, as a band.
And have you ever gone to the police station?
This question I have gone.
Yes.
So that has never happened. Wow. Okay.
I think the social media.
Let's see what we got.
Which band do I hate?
Oh. Okay.
Put a story saying, she said yes.
Oh.
My phone is switched off.
Sir, my phone is there.
Can I use your Instagram?
No,
account?
Which band you hate? No.
It's very
Yeah.
not a good thing.
Put up a story.
Okay, I will when I go back home.
No, right now.
No,
Let's
No.
Say there.
Phone switch off and
Hey, phone login. Never in a battery on a phone yet. Login is Instagram.
Okay.
Under
What should you put? Put a story saying she said yes. But you also have an option. You can also choose another one.
Oh, is it?
No.
She said yes.
From his account.
Oh, sorry.
నీకు అప్పుడే చెప్పినాను
అన్నా నేను లాగౌట్ చేసినా నేను.
Well, he's actually right. That doesn't say from his account.
Good news soon.
she said yes. Good news.
Smiley would wait, Mary.
Good news soon.
Good news. Soon. Second one not even wait now.
ఆల్రెడీ చాలా కాంట్రవర్షియల్ మీటింగ్ ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ ఎస్ చెప్పినాక
అంటే
గుడ్ న్యూస్
చూపి కెమెరా yes
Received any proposal while performing a gig?
Received any
is it people used to throw flowers at Kiran?
And you want to say the story?
Actually, there have been instances where I don't know who did it till now.
Okay.
Till date, I don't know who did it. But they used to send me this size slips and fold it in a small, the pencil arts, Ega Cinema lo.
Yeah.
The pencil art, mini micro art. Micro art type lo, they used to do some small
birthdays and everything.
frame of me singing or
Wow, okay.
something very artistic they used to do, and they used to send me through someone to the stage.
Okay. So there are a lot of girls.
Yes.
Okay. So you were never interested to know which one or who was it?
For an extent, I was interested to see like who actually
Yeah.
did all this while, but after a point I just gave up
Gave up
because she was not ready to reveal who she was.
You gave up because there were too many, so you were like,
that is also correct
Maybe.
They'll reveal it after this interview.
okay. All right. So next we'll go with you.
Dave.
Okay, there. Take this.
Post a pic of your co-band member.
Mentioning you hate them.
In mentioning.
Post a pic of your co-band member mentioning you hate them.
This is
Post a pic of
not such a good
Post a pic
data.
of your
Oh, that's his luck.
Oh, you hate that. Okay.
now come on let's go
ఇక్కడ అని చెప్పలేదు కానీ వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టేస్తాను.
Oh, smart. Okay, smart.
Come on.
hate you అని రాసి మళ్ళీ పెడతా
Hat you. Okay. No problem. All right. Very brave.
And post it saying no share till November.
It's very easy. No?
Very easy. Okay.
క్వశ్చన్ చింపేయద్దంతే
ఎందుకన్నా బాగానే ఉంది కదా
Easy కాబట్టి.
కిరణ్ ఏమంటావు
అంతే అన్న ఈజీ ఒక్కడికి
call a close friend or family and tell them
You're leaving the call the equal.
ఇంకెవరికైనా
One call it. Dorai. Speakers
Okay.
are on when things are good.
मुझे लेकर लो इसे
Okay. Sensor है तो.
Phone is today. Is this show support bad?
Who are you calling?
My friend Naveen. Hello. అరే నీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ న్యూస్ చెప్పాలి. దాంట్లో వదిలేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. ఏరా ఏంటి జస్ట్ అలా ట్రూత్ అండ్ డేర్ ఆడుతుంటే ప్రాంక్ చేయమన్నారు. సరేరా బాయ్. బాయ్ రా.
Okay.
What did you do? Did you understand what he said?
He was scolding him. I'm sure all of your parents, your family, everyone is too proud of you right now for where you are, guys. That's nice. Let's play a game. It's called Rapid Liar Round. Yeah. Right now, it's called Rapid Liar Round.
Rapid liar.
Yeah. So games are very the rules are very easy, very interesting. I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to give me the wrong answer, not the right answer, all right? Okay. What's your band's name?
Chaurasta.
What do you hate the most?
Women.
You're lying. You're lying. Very good. Do you like your band members?
No.
No, not at all.
Okay. Are you scared of girls?
Absolutely.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
No. No. No. That makes
Mixed, yeah. Okay, what is 157 minus 26?
100.
Okay, do you love your beard? Do you love performing at gigs? Are you happy with 2020 so far?
Yeah, nobody's getting money.
Are you guys married?
Yes, yes.
Everyone is married.
Okay. You like to be married? Okay. Which is your favorite band?
Capriccio.
And did you guys produce any song?
Yes.
Or compose any song?
Lots. Hundreds. We started from 1983.
Oh.
And each of them have 6 million views on YouTube.
And going for the each one.
Yeah.
And going for the Grammys now and Hollywood.
Yes,
No Grammys. No. Okay. So any of the recent hit songs?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah.
How I wonder what you
Like a
Wow. Yeah, sure.
Anna,
That was composed by you. Come.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mali. 1, 2, 3, 4. నువ్వు పెంచినావే దిల్కి చిలక
Amazing. Wow. I know whole of Hyderabad, all your fans and supporters are missing you right now, but I'm the lucky one. So please guys, one song for me and for everyone, for all your fans and supporters.
We'd be happy to perform.
Thank you.
Yeah. One, two, three, four.
Thanks a lot, Brand Capriccio. It was really a pleasure talking to you guys. You guys have been lovely, and I'm not letting you guys go without anything. So I have something for you. This is from our drink partner, Coco Works. So coconut water for you to stay hydrated. And I wish you guys all the best and all the success. I hope you guys rule the industry, go on world tour, win all the awards. You guys have been lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.